Don't kick me.
Right there. That's where it all started, and I was going to.
Right off the bat, this situation is already chaotic, and we haven't even seen the full picture yet. A domestic dispute call is one of the most unpredictable scenarios for police. Emotions are high, stories conflict, and things can escalate fast. Question is, who's actually telling the truth here?
Hello. What's going on?
They're fighting like cats and dogs.
Are they like physically fighting right now? Like, where are they at?
They're upstairs.
They're upstairs.
Yeah,
Which room?
Get out! No,
Hold on.
Right now.
Hold on.
Get
No, she's gonna be aggressive. Please.
Sit down.
Don't tell me what to
What's
do.
She goes, what is happening?
Look, and that would have been my fault.
All right, ma'am.
Get off of me!
I mean, I told you.
Hold on. Get on your stomach. Put your hands behind your back. Who's got cuffs? I got hands. All right, I got her hands.
I'm on her legs.
All right, I'll get cuffs.
Yep.
I got it.
Randy, you should have took the advice. Calm down.
Stop moving your wrist. Do not grab onto me.
Here, someone's. My glasses are coming off.
Okay, well, it's not our concern at the moment.
Fix that.
Ma'am, please back up. Please back up.
We're gonna roll you on your side, okay?
Calm down.
Here, roll on your side.
All right.
I know. I'm between your legs.
Now, man, go sit on the couch. Ow. Do not pinch your nails on me. Wait, it has a rabbit. Can you go out and grab it?
All right, go out after it.
Pretty stop.
Really stop. We have this talk, man.
I got it.
Security call.
Yeah.
No.
Just
We told you to stay back.
go.
Stay back.
Do not tell my mom. No.
Stop.
People think you are. You are nothing.
This is the exact moment things start going downhill. Refusing commands during a police response, especially in a volatile situation, can quickly turn into charges like obstruction or resisting. Even if you're upset, compliance here is critical.
Brittany, stop while you're ahead. Stop, Brittany. It's not worth it. Because you think you're looking at me, you're not. Jesus. I'm going to prison.
Chloe can't breathe.
Well, that's your fault.
Yeah, don't bother with her right now. Stay over there. He's not listening to you right now.
I literally can't breathe.
We don't.
I can get her in the car.
I got this on.
Don't kick me. Stupid.
All right, is 8 unlocked? Here, watch the hill.
Oh, thank you.
All right.
Oh, you have 3169, 3169. Sorry, 12. Can you repeat that report number? 31690 or 1690.
Wait a minute, just stay inside. I'll come and talk with you in a second. Okay. We'll come in a second. Okay.
All right.
Watch your head. Take a seat.
So cocked.
All right. You okay?
Yeah.
Gum, are you okay?
Yep.
All right. You okay? All right. I'm going to go back in and talk with him. Can you start Hauser in a 32? Oh, damn it, she cut me. He was a caller. Okay. Okay. Let's take a seat. Calm down.
I'm good.
She's okay. Just take I know. I would
I'll
just.
take a seat.
I appreciate it. Thank you. Was there a physical fight between you guys today?
No, but it wasn't like a fight.
Okay. What do you explain that to me?
I can't remember because she's broken my stuff before. I know you've seen the notes.
And now we're crossing into serious legal territory. The moment she starts physically resisting, kicking, pulling away, that opens the door to assault on a peace officer, which is a felony in many jurisdictions. This isn't just about a domestic dispute anymore.
But I literally had motion sensor on it from the start. I had so much stories. Right. I called.
What is this video of?
It's of the whole thing.
Okay, but
It's
does
a
it
5-minute
show her you guys fighting or what?
It
Is
shows the door. Yeah, it shows the start of
Okay.
it, the door where I was
So
holding.
was there a physical fight between you guys today?
Not like physical. I pushed her out the room.
You pushed her out
Yeah,
the
and it
window?
shows it on there. Like I
Okay.
pushed her out
Why did you push her out the
because she assaulted me.
Okay,
Like, I
that's what I'm
stood there
trying
and
to
took
get at.
it. Yeah, no, I stood there and took it, and then after like a minute of it, grabbed and literally like moved her to the door.
Did
And when
she,
she got to
did
the
you
door,
throw any strikes at her? Did she throw any strikes at you? Okay.
well, not really.
Are
Not
you
really.
hurt? Do you want EMS?
I mean,
Okay, because
yeah,
we have them coming anyways to check on her.
I got little. It's not. I just wanted to.
I mean, they're coming. If
I
you
know.
want to get checked, I'll make sure you get checked.
No, I mean, I did that myself 2 days ago.
Okay, so what is actually from her? Is that from her?
No,
Where's that from?
that's for. This is from this. All this right here is not from anything. That was from 2 nights ago. But that's her. That's her. She ripped my shirt. I don't know if there's something on my chest or not. She tried to get my necklace. I mean,
So what started all this?
because I was smoking a cigarette.
He had her smashed. She was in the floor right here.
Okay.
And he was smashing her with the door.
Okay.
I mean, she was like on her butt. Her head was sticking out. Her glasses went a flying.
Was this here already?
Yeah.
Okay, that wasn't from
All
today.
this is previous.
Okay. Do you see who started it all? Was it him or
She
was it her?
asked him to be allowed to smoke in the house. And he
Uh-huh.
smoked in the house.
Okay.
And was being a dick about it. And I don't know what happened right there. But I got to hear and I saw him have her against the wall. And he was laying
Front the camera,
on her.
Okay.
It was back and forth, so...
She was hitting him too during the
No,
whole
she
thing.
couldn't really do nothing because she was stuck between here and he kept closing the door on her.
She was on the ground when that was
Yeah.
happening. Okay. But when she was up against the wall, was she like trying to hit him or anything to get out of it? Yeah.
I don't think she did. She grabbed his shirt. She might have ripped his shirt.
Okay.
He was like, "Go ahead."
And you were where when this was happening?
I was here and I was trapped in the room.
Oh, okay. Were you like trying to break it up? Is that why you were in there?
Happy about 445
It
South Maple.
got so bad that I had to back up so I didn't get knocked over and stuff.
1725.
And it was more him being the aggressor then than she was.
Okay.
Go ahead.
I was in the room.
So
she
she-
was trapped in the door.
So she got pissed at him for smoking in the house, and then it just all
23 Tommy.
spiraled from there.
Yeah.
I do.
Minute show of
Okay,
the
so
altercation. If
It
you
might,
could just
show,
zoom
it
through
might show the first part of it. I'm not
Okay.
sure.
Alright.
Yeah, right here. It's literally right there. That's where it started. I did not hit her. I wanted to. I did not touch her. She would have had a mark on her face. She literally started right there. Hold on, let me go back 30 seconds. So I can't go any further, so you're going to have to watch that. So,
Notice the emotional spike here. Threats, panic, and fear of consequences all hitting at once. This is a common turning point where suspects realize the seriousness of the situation. But by now, the damage is already done.
27 and 5. Be advised, have to go on 18th
'Cause I had a
Street towards
cigarette.
Kenmore
So
Boulevard.
she's,
White
see,
male
that's the
wearing
door
a
right
tan
there.
jacket.
She's linchpin right there. Would not let me go to smoke a cigarette outside when she wanted.
Gotcha.
So I was singing, and then she gets up.
Can you show them this trap between the door and the floor?
Yeah, I will, because I was defending myself. It's better than picking her up again. It's on there. I'm showing everything, Tootie. I'm showing everything. That's why I record.
Is this her mom?
Yes. I don't know why that's here. See? Right there. That's where it all started. And I was going to. I stand there. I do not hit her. I do not throw a punch. I yell for Tootie. I hate that it don't have sound.
Well, I got trapped in that room.
Yeah, and when you said let me out, that let her out. I had her contained for a second. And you wanted out, and then you didn't even go out. You didn't even... Yeah, it's all on there, Tootie. It's all on there. You don't have to tell them anything.
Okay.
It's just defending. That's all it is. Like...
What's going to happen with Brittany?
She's for sure going to jail today. She kicked and hit 3
Yeah,
out of the
she's
4
talking
hits at
about
the
the
very
long
least. So
one, like
she's going to jail.
What are the charges?
At the moment, at least, obstructing and resisting arrest
Okay.
and assault on a peace officer because she struck most of us.
Yeah, no.
So
No,
she's at the very least going to jail for that.
That was my important document saying I don't touch her. Again, I don't touch her until right here. I yoke her up. I say, get out, bear hug her, and push her towards the door, put her up against the wall, open the door, and this is what she does, and then I push her out. Like, get out. And I kind of wedging her out, but I didn't know that door shut. But I come right back in,
Okay.
shut the door, hold on. No, it's not done. It's not done. Literally trying to keep her out, and she gets wedged right here, and that's where I contain her on the call with the cops. That's what she's talking about, wedged between the door.
And there's no audio.
I don't know. I've never really even thought about audio. Hold on. Well, this one is the clip for sure with the start of it. Hold on. I do too, Tootie. I didn't say anything wrong. Why do you keep doing that? Like, I didn't do anything wrong.
So he actually has a camera inside of his bedroom.
Yeah, she's broken my stuff before. And
You want to get me back to that video?
It's just...
I'm thinking scratches.
Oh, these?
Just all of the ones on.
These were from Square 2 nights ago. I had a bucket list, a prison bucket list.
What did you have any injuries from today?
I mean, just scrapes. My pride more than anything.
The videos look rough. I want your opinion.
What are you going to prison for? Failure to notify.
Are you able to,
Which, by the way, question about that. Since I
do you know how to turn the volume back on this?
It should be on already.
It is.
Oh. No,
It's like really quiet at first.
Yeah, no, it is too.
Now, this is interesting. A recorded video of the incident. Evidence like this can completely change a case. But here's the catch. Video without audio can be misleading. Context matters. What do you think? Does this help his case or hurt it?
It gets louder, I'd say.
So what's the
Do I
verdict
need
on
that?
the video?
Well, that's what we're trying to figure out, okay? You mind sitting down? I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
I mean, it's I mean, yes, I had to defend myself, but if I did something wrong in defense of myself, I mean, what?
Go ahead. Right?
So it's like kind of like grab and
Yo, see, that's what she did then. That's what she like tried to like pinch me or something.
and then you grab her arm.
No, I twisted her to the wall. I couldn't see you that.
I don't give a fuck. Why is it okay? Yesterday night, we're here. Last night. I think the blood.
Alright, so we showed up.
Get it out. You're out. Do whatever you want.
No, he said she said.
Yes, I am! Another disturbance. Get the fuck away.
When did this all start?
I'm not fucking open.
Like 2 minutes after I called.
These kind of
Stop
interactions.
fucking open.
I mean, look at the call up for this house.
She's good. Fine. She really had no complaints and it wasn't one anyway. Alright, thanks guys.
Yeah, thank you. Your only complaints of physical violence from her is what, scratching your arms?
Yeah.
Any other injuries that you know of?
No. Just scrapes and scratches.
So, what happened once the officers got on scene?
I didn't want them to come inside. Honestly, I don't really know. I don't remember.
Any drinking, drugs?
The camera I'm seeing
No, I don't drink. Well, I drink, but I'm not doing drugs. I don't like people coming up behind me or touching me from behind or anything like that. So I always get aggressive, no matter what. Anyone, cops, my mom, anyone. Like it's going to happen, and they know that. That's why my mom tried to pull me back because she knew it was going to happen.
Oh, your mom's here too.
Yeah, my mom.
And there it is, the legal outcome taking shape. Multiple charges stacking up, resisting arrest, obstruction, and assault on officers. Given her prior history, this could significantly impact sentencing. If you were the judge, how would you handle this case?
Mom was with me because this exact thing has happened before. I have an assault on an officer charge before that I just got off probation for Portage County, where I was approached from behind, and I ended up just instinctively like kicking behind. I don't like it. I don't like talking about it. I don't like. I just
So when the officers
like even if
immediately
they
when they got here, they came up behind you, or did
no
they try to talk
no
to you
they
guys for a
didn't.
little while?
They did everything correctly. I know I was like in the wrong, but it's just the whole situation. Like I was already worked up, and then just like I don't know. I like telling me that they're going to put me like in cuffs and then turning me around and just like the whole thing.
So they told you you were under arrest and you were going into cuffs?
No, they didn't
and
tell me I
that's-
was under arrest.
They told you they were going to hang on to you, put you in cuffs,
Yeah.
something like that.
Yeah.
And then when